In this video, I will walk you through on how to install an open source support ticket system. Now, this is one of the most popular free ticket systems that you can find currently, and it is called OsTicket, and you can find it by going to this URL or this website, www.osticket.com. And right now I'm in the downloads area, and let's download the latest version over here in zip file. Now I will unzip the file. Okay, there you go. Let's double click on this folder. Now you can see all the files are in this folder. And this folder over here, upload, you will upload all the files which can be found only in this folder, and you will not upload the files which are other than the folder in the upload folder, like the scripts, license, and readme. You do not need to upload them. Now let's proceed to the installation document. You can go to the installation document by clicking on this link, OsTicket Community Wiki, and it will bring you to this page, to the home page actually. I'm sorry, to this page. Okay. Now for installation, just click on this installation link over here. And over here they have the rough guide on how to install the script on your server. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is we need to have a MySQL database. Let's go to cPanel. This is the cPanel account. Click on MySQL database. Now let's create a new database. Just name it as OsTicket. Click on create database. We are done. Now we need to create a user. So let's say username is my own name. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 2 3 4 5 6 7. Optionally, you can also click on this generate password button over here, and the cPanel will create a random password for you, and which is more secured. So once you are done, just click on create user over here. Now we are done. We have the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Let's go back. And now we need to add the user to the database. So since we only have one user and one database, so click on this add button. Now over here, just click on this all privileges, check this box, and click on make changes. Okay, there you go, and we are done. So this is the user, which is vmv_amir, and the database is vmv_osticket. Now that we are done, let us upload all the files to our server. Now I will open up my FTP account, and I will go to type in my website domain, and let's log in. Close this. Okay, and there you go. Now let's go to the main directory, which is the public_html folder over here. Double click. Okay, this is the main directory. Now we have to decide on the name of the directory where you want to install the OsTicket script. So let's say the name is support. So right click, and I will create a new folder with the name support. So I will upload all the files into this folder or this directory. Okay, we are done. Let's double click on the folder that we have just created, and there you go. You can see it's empty over here. Now let's find the folder, the OsTicket folder. There you go. The left hand side is my computer or the remote location, the right hand side is the server location. So this is the folder. You can see here. I will double click, and there you go. This is the folder where we need to upload the files. So double click again, and there you go. Let's upload all the files into this location over here, support. Okay, so I will just click once and click the shift button of my keyboard, shift button, and just click on the last or the final file that you can find in the directory. So click, and there you go. Now let's drag. I can either drag all the files to this window or just click on this upload button. So let's upload. Okay, while we're waiting for it to upload, I will pause this video. Okay, we are done. Now let's see the installation document. Now we need to make this file ostconfig.php writable so that we can modify it. Now we need to change permission or the settings to this file. So let's find this file, ostconfig.php. There you go, this is the file. So we need to change the permission, and as for Smart FTP, we will right click on the file, go to properties, and we will change the permission here to 777 so that it will be writable. Then click OK. Okay, it's done. And the next step is we simply need to run this setup folder. So I will just copy this URL, right click, copy, open a new tab, paste, and type in your domain name where you install the script, and the name of the folder over here, or the name of the directory of the script. So like I've shown you just now, I created the name as support, so this is my name, the folder name. If yours is different, then just change this section, change to the name. And once we are done, just click on enter, and there you go. We will be displayed. We are now displayed with a few basic installation fields where we need to fill in vital information regarding the server and the script. So the help desk title, this is the default name. You can of course change to whatever name that you want, and the web path to OsTicket. So you can see mine has already placed the correct URL, which is my domain name /support. And the system email, just type in your own email. And this is important, the username, password. Now you will want to create your own username and password for you to enter the admin area of this script. So let's say you name it as admin and the password as 123. Okay, then type in again, and also type in again your email address. Okay, this section is important. OST underscore, this is by default, and if you don't understand this section, just leave it as it is, because this will create the MySQL table prefix. And the host name, most servers have localhost as the host name, so if yours is different, you need to check with your own web hosting provider. Now this is the vital part, MySQL database name, username, and the password. Now in the earlier part of the video, we have created a MySQL database, a MySQL username, and a password. So you can see over here the name of the MySQL database is vmv underscore OsTicket. Okay, so let's type in. Now the username, if you can recall, it is this section over here, vmv underscore Amir, which is my name. So just type in. And the password, I type in as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, which I also specify the password over here when I created the MySQL database. So all the details and all the information that you need to put over here must be the same as the one that you have just created, the MySQL database on your cPanel account. Okay, once you are done, just click on the install button over here. Okay, you can see there are some errors. Okay, the password, they need more than 5 characters, so I'll just type in 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5, and over here you can see conflicts with system email above, because they looks like they want a different email from the system email. So I'll type in a different email address. Okay, let's click on install, and there you go. It writes here, congratulations, as OsTicket basic installation has been completed. So now we need to do 2 more tasks, which is we need to change the permission of ostconfig.php file to 644. So let's go back to the FTP. Let's change the permission to 644. Go to properties and type in 644. Click OK. And the next thing that we need to do is to delete the install directory. Okay, let's go to the install directory. Let's find it. I think it's in the setup. Okay, the install directory in this case is the setup directory. The name is called setup directory, but this is the install directory. Okay, so right click and let's delete this folder. Yes. So now it's deleting. So once you are done, you can just click on this admin panel link over here, and you can log in right now. So type in the username, which I think I put it as admin, and I put it 1 2 3 4 5. So let's log in. And there you go. We have successfully installed the script, and also we have successfully entered the admin area.